Today's video is on the top 3 best smart garden systems. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Hydroponics growing system indoor garden. Have you ever dreamed of growing your own fresh herbs and vegetables right in your kitchen? Imagine being able to harvest your favorite plants anytime and anywhere. This innovative indoor gardening system features a powerful 24-watt LED grow light that mimics the best effects of sunlight. It's designed with your plants in mind, allowing the LED panel to be adjusted up to 180 degrees and a maximum height of 21 inches. This means your plants will bask in a wider illumination area, maximizing their photosynthesis potential. Plus, it makes it easier for you to prune those leafy branches. With hydroponics, your plants can grow up to 5 times faster than in soil, giving you fresh produce all year long. Now, let's talk about the quiet yet efficient watering system. The hydroponic setup includes a water pump that uses premium ceramic core technology, operating at a whisper, quiet level of less than 20 decibels. It runs every 30 minutes, providing efficient watering while saving energy. This smart pump also supplies oxygen for better root development. And if you ever worry about forgetting to water, don't fret. The indoor herb garden comes with a handy water shortage indicator, so you'll always be in the know. Setting up this hydroponic system is a breeze, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. It comes fully equipped with everything you need to kickstart your gardening adventure, though seeds are sold separately. The system automatically controls a 24-hour light cycle, 16 hours of light followed by 8 hours of darkness. All you have to do is select the light mode for your preferred veggies, flowers, or fruits using the easy-to-use buttons on the control panel. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can observe your plants growing. Cleaning and maintenance are also simple, thanks to the detachable LED light pole. This feature prevents short circuits while you clean, making the process safe and straightforward. The light pole is adjustable in height, allowing you to accommodate your growing plants easily. Plus, the large 3-liter water tank features a see-through window, giving you a glance at the water level so you can add more water as needed without any guesswork. This indoor gardening kit makes for a perfect gift, whether you're treating yourself or a loved one. It comes with 8 pods, making it ideal for growing delicious herbs and veggies like basil, lettuce, rosemary, and tomatoes. Not only is it a fun and engaging activity, but it also encourages healthy eating. It's a great way to experiment with hydroponics, especially if you want to involve your kids in a hands-on gardening experience. Tap that subscribe button like you're trying to keep pesky weeds out of your garden. Number 2, best overall, indoor garden hydroponics growing systems. Ready to take your gardening to the next level? The hydroponics growing system is a game changer that can truly light up your indoor gardening experience, literally and figuratively. Imagine harnessing the power of cutting-edge SMD LED technology. This system is designed to provide full-spectrum light, which is essential for plant growth. It delivers a stunning 30% more luminous flux compared to traditional grow lights, making it an excellent choice for maximizing photosynthesis. What does this mean for your plants? They'll not only grow faster, but they can also flourish up to 5 times quicker. Plus, the system creates an ideal temperature for germination, allowing your veggies to thrive even during the chilly winter months. Let's talk about convenience, because you know that gardening can sometimes feel like a chore, especially when it comes to watering. With this hydroponic system, you can say goodbye to the hassle of constant watering. It features a sophisticated auto water circulation system that uses the advanced deep flow technique. This means there's a built-in automatic circulation pump that works hard to maintain a steady flow of water. This regular water circulation creates a perfect ecosystem for your plant roots, by ensuring that oxygen and essential nutrients are efficiently delivered to the roots. Your veggies can grow faster and healthier. And the best part? The water pump operates quietly, so you can enjoy your indoor garden without any annoying noise. Now, Let's dive into the impressive capabilities of this indoor herb garden. With just a single watering, you can enjoy an incredible 18 days of self-sufficient growth. It comes equipped with an ultra-large 4-liter water tank and an exclusive nutrient formula designed to meet the needs of your plants. The hydroponic garden features a unique deeper tank, providing ample space for roots to develop and breathe. This thoughtful design not only improves the quality of the water, but also ensures that your veggies remain fresh and vibrant. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to nurture your plants to perfection. What's more, this hydroponic growing system is incredibly versatile. You can adjust the height of the system according to the growth size of your veggies, making it suitable for all types of cultivation. Whether you want to grow fresh herbs, leafy greens, or even some colorful flowers, this indoor garden has you covered. It allows you to cultivate your favorite plants, even in the dead of winter or in the confines of an apartment. The possibilities are endless, and you'll love the satisfaction of growing your food right at home. Number 1, our pick, LetPot LPH-Max Hydroponics Growing System. Ready to dive into indoor gardening like never before? Meet the LetPot Max, a game-changing system that takes the hassle out of plant care. It's the world's first automatic watering and nutrient supply system, equipped with a smart water level sensor that keeps tabs on everything for you. With this innovative technology, you can sit back and relax, knowing your plants are getting exactly what they need without you lifting a finger. Plus, the exclusive LetPot app lets you easily set a lighting schedule for your plants, all within a 24-hour range, and all it takes is a few simple clicks. Whether you're a casual gardener or a plant aficionado, this transforms your indoor gardening experience into something truly special. But that's not all. The LetPot Max promotes growth at lightning speed thanks to its impressive 36-watt full-spectrum LED light and an 8-level adjustable lighting system. This setup mimics natural sunlight to supercharge photosynthesis, allowing you to tweak the brightness based on your plant's specific needs. You could see growth rates soar by as much as 300% compared to traditional methods. Even during those long winter months, your plants will thrive. And don't forget the LetPot app. It's packed with features like remote updates, a plant encyclopedia, and even a plant diary to keep track of your gardening journey. Want to simplify your gardening maintenance? The LetPot app is your ultimate gardening sidekick. It offers 2 distinct LED lighting modes, giving you complete control over your plant's lighting. Need blue light to promote growth or red light to assist with flowering? You got it. Advanced features like water level alerts and a silent mode ensure your plants stay healthy and happy. Managing everything through the LetPot app is a breeze, turning gardening into an on-demand experience. Let's talk about quality and durability. This hydroponic system is crafted with precision from high-quality imported stainless steel and has undergone rigorous certification. It features an adjustable LED lighting rod that extends up to 21 inches, along with a spacious 7.5-liter water tank that provides up to 30 days of automatic watering. This means you can manage your gardening with ease. Whether you're using the app or the dynamic 4.8-inch LCD screen, adjusting light intensity, growth timings, and switching between different light modes is simple. So, why wait to elevate your indoor gardening game? When you choose LetPot, you're not just buying a product, you're making a long-term investment in your green thumb journey. You'll receive everything you need to kickstart your planting adventure right away, including 21 planting cups, sponges, baskets, lids, and A and B nutrients. Plus, every LetPot product comes with a lifetime service guarantee and continuous app upgrades over the air, ensuring you always have access to the latest features. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.